In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Antigravity for beginners. By the end, you'll feel comfortable getting into the workspace, setting up a project folder, exploring the agent manager, cloning a repository, creating a simple text file, and checking out extensions so you know what tools are available. First, open your browser and head to the Antigravity app. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're in the main workspace view. You'll typically see a clean interface with a sidebar and a top menu. If this is your first time, take a second to note where the key buttons live. This will make everything else smoother. Next, choose a place for your work. Click Open Folder, then browse to the folder on your computer where you want this project to live. Select it and confirm. This connects Antigravity to that folder so your files and changes are all organized in one spot. Picking a dedicated folder, ideally one that's empty or clearly labeled, helps prevent confusion later and keeps your workspace tidy. Now, open the Agent Manager. This is where you'll see the agents, services, or automations that can support your project. Think of it as a control room for the helpers that run behind the scenes. Take a brief look at what's listed so you know what's available. Even if you don't adjust anything yet, having this panel open will give you context for what happens next. Go ahead and click Clone Repository. Cloning brings a copy of an existing codebase or project into your selected folder, creating a local version you can explore and edit. This is perfect for starting from a template or collaborating on a shared project. When you trigger cloning, the app will guide you through the source selection. Let it finish. You'll know it's done when the files appear in your folder view. With your project in place, head to the top menu and click File, then choose New Text File. A blank file opens immediately. This is great for quick notes, a to-do list, or simple configuration stubs. Keeping notes right inside the project helps you track ideas, tasks, or reminders without jumping to another app. Finally, open the Extensions panel on the left side. This area showcases add-ons that enhance your workflow, things like formatters, linters, or integrations. Spend a minute reading descriptions and noting which ones align with your goals. Understanding what's available will help you customize Antigravity as you grow. That's it. You've entered Antigravity, connected a folder, reviewed the agent manager, cloned a repository, created a text file, and explored extensions. You're ready to build with confidence.